Hi, I'm Ayumi, and I'm back to guide you through the world of open-minded parties, swing clubs, and sex-positive events around the world. This video is part of a 12-episode series where we explore different venues offering a little excitement for the sexually curious. And I hope my insights help you choose the right destination for you and your partner. I've been researching sexuality, fetishes, and the swinger lifestyle for over 10 years, and I visited all these places as a guest of the Isus app, a dating platform for couples and singles looking to turn their fantasies into reality. Isus connects you to open-minded people to spice up your sex life. Hit the link in the description and download Isus now. Today's review is perfect for those who love non-stop fun because this event lasts 4 days. I attended the Splash Takeover held in Houston, Texas. Splash isn't just a party, it's a multi-day experience where an entire hotel is reserved exclusively for open-minded couples from all over the United States. You check in on Thursday and leave on Sunday, after days and nights filled with excitement and connection alongside dozens of swinger-friendly couples. Ticket prices range from $200 for single-day entry to between $1,000 and $2,000 for the full week event, depending on the type of room you're looking for. These fees cover the price of admission and a private room for two. Food and drinks are an additional cost. And the atmosphere is fantastic. Splash is a couples-only party, so you need to find a partner if you want to visit. And one of the best things about an event like this is that you have time to truly connect with people. You can get to know others at your own pace, build friendships, and learn about their entire journeys, not just the nuances of their swinger activities. Most attendees were between 45 to 50 years old, but there was a solid mix of younger couples in their 30s. It wasn't the most wide-ranging crowd I've ever seen, but there was still a diversity in ages. And their stories were just as diverse. Some couples had been together for decades and were longtime members of the scene, while others were experiencing this for the first time. I met all kinds of people. Monogamous couples who were just playful, people in open relationships, engaged partners, newlyweds, a little bit of everything. I think this event is a great starting point for newcomers to the swinger scene. Sure, it is cheaper and easier just to go to a swing club in your own city on a random night, but that often requires more initiative, since you have just one evening to meet people and start conversations before the night is over. At Splash, there's time to ease into it, figure out who you feel comfortable around, and explore everything at your own space. Even if that means not doing anything at all and simply enjoying the event's atmosphere. Each day follows a similar rhythm. Daytime pool parties, afternoon workshops and talks covering topics like open relationships, swinger etiquette, Q&As with influencers, BDSM introductions, and even massage classes. Nightly themed parties where everyone goes all out on costumes. After the party, the event transitions to the playroom, an entire floor of the hotel dedicated to more intimate interactions. Throughout the day, women typically go topless or wear minimal bikinis, and men stick to swim trunks. But full nudity is not allowed. Since this is a regular hotel for most of the year, no outsiders are allowed to stay during the event. Even delivery services have to wait across the streets for someone to pick up. And surprisingly, the hotel staff handles everything with total professionalism. The organization and cleanliness are impeccable. The parties are amazing. People are open, friendly, and interested in socializing. There are plenty of deep conversations, not just constant flirting, which is a nice contrast to what outsiders might expect. But once nighttime hits, things really start to heat up. The playroom, where the real action happens, is open from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Couples come and go, stopping by between drinks, dance breaks, or private room visits. It stays busy all night long. The lighting is dim, the music is soft and sensual, and there are mattresses spread throughout the rooms, along with plenty of condoms, lube, and hand sanitizer. At first, couples hang back, chatting and observing from the sidelines. But as the night goes on, things pick up and people start getting involved. Some move to the main beds and others follow the lead. One of the highlights is a BDSM space where experienced guides help curious newcomers explore the scene safely. And again, the staff is incredible. The moment someone gets up from a mattress, even if they didn't do anything risky, a staff member immediately replaces the sheets. The cleanliness and attention to detail were truly next level. Is it worth it? Absolutely. Out of all the events I've attended, this was one of the most comfortable and enjoyable experiences I've had. I left with amazing new friendships, and the environment is clearly run by people who understand the lifestyle and know exactly what makes these events special. I definitely go back and I highly recommend it. And if you dream of going to an event like this but don't have the right company, I highly suggest checking out the Isus app. It's a platform that connects curious singles and couples looking for like-minded people who know what they want. You'll find the link in the description. This video is part of a 12-episode series reviewing swing clubs and exclusive parties worldwide. So if you enjoyed this story from inside one of the premier sex-friendly events in the US, you know where to find more. See you at the next destination.